This is a brand new 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. Its top features include a speed-sensitive volume control system, a low tire pressure indicator, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, alloy wheels, roof rails, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped shift knob, 12-volt power outlets, a driver knee airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, and a power driver seat. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
South Suburban Mitsubishi is the #1 volume dealer in the Midwest. Visit us online, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 25963 South Governors Highway, just minutes off I-57 in Monee. Get greater value from the store that gives you more.